Welcome to the Crochet Llama. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to do a double crochet. Now this is going to be helpful for the basics of how to crochet. It's almost like the foundation for everything in its own little way. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take our yarn, wrap it around our finger and pull through and create our little slip knot. Now you can end up doing as many stitches as you want, but for this tutorial I'm just gonna go ahead and chain 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And the second chain from the hook, what we're gonna want to do a double crochet back is you want to insert your hook into that hole, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. So let's go ahead and do that again. Insert your hook into right here. This beautiful little hole right there. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Insert your hook, back, forward, back, forward. So it should end up being like a nice smooth motion. Insert, yarn over, insert. So you have 2, pull through, you have 2, pull through, you have 1. We'll do this all the way to the end of the row. Alright, we're at the end, so you want to go ahead and turn your work and chain 1. So when you end up double crocheting back across, what you'll want to do is take your hook and insert it through this space right here. So you'll end up having the 2V, the lines from the V. So it'll be an insert, like so, you'll see your V, and then it'll be a yarn over and pull through. So let's go ahead and do that. So insert for your V, just like that from the front, yarn over, and pull through, and pull through. So you got your V from the front, insert, pull through, and pull through, insert, pull through, and pull through, insert. And again, this should just be a nice smooth motion. All the way to the end. And this is how you end up doing a double crochet. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and if you feel so inclined, please subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a happy crochet day.